Hello, lovely graphic designers. Welcome to the channel. You see, have you ever sat in front of your computer for sometimes 30 minutes or even an hour and you don't even know what to create? You open your Photoshop, you create a document, and just be staring at the blank canvas. Wow, sometimes it's very frustrating. You even go to Pinterest, you go to Google search, and then you still cannot get the kind of idea that you want. The problem is not Photoshop skills. The problem is basically ideas. You lack the ideas. So here is something I've learned from speaking to some graphic designers across board. You see, 90% of them told me the same thing. They don't struggle with software skills. They struggle with the concepts and coming out with fresh ideas. Now I've created something that's really changed the way I work, and that's Designer AI Pods. And it's basically for Ghanaians and also the whole of African designers. So when you open it, I have all the categories in all graphic design areas like birthday prompts, color combination, event flyer prompt system, flyer headline generator, logo design prompts. So I have about 5,000 and over of these prompts. So instead of waiting for about 30 minutes or even an hour to come out with ideas or headlines, layout or color scheme or font combination. So what if you have thousands of ready to use ideas at your fingertips? So let me show you what I mean. So you open any AI tool that you want, whether ChatGPT or Gemini. Let's use ChatGPT, and then most designers or anybody, they will just use this prompt, generate a chat flyer using this theme, and then they write the date and the time, and that's it. This is definitely going to give you a very generic and then boring outcome, and then most people will say that AI gives very bad results. So let's open our comprehensive prompts. Let's pick the event flyer prompt system, and I'll show you an example of what I mean. Now basically we have a lot of concepts here. Okay, let's pick concept 2, music concert nights. The main headline, the night of melodies, then theme or verse or quotes, where words fail, music speaks. You have the name there, Christian Addison. Then the flyer objectives are also there. Then the layout structure has also been given here. Then we also have the color palettes. The fourth pairing are all here. So what you just do is to copy all these. You can decide to use this, go to Photoshop, then start designing using these ideas. If you think there's something here that you want to edit, you just edit it. You copy. So you open Gemini, you paste your prompt, and then you tell it to generate the design in a professional Ghanaian concept. To generate the design in a professional Ghanaian concept, then you submit, and then let's see the results. So you can use this, copy the prompt and bring it here directly, or you can decide to use it directly in Photoshop. You pick the ideas and then use it. Instead of letting the AI generate for you, you can actually use the prompt to do your design yourself. Wow, so this is the outcome of the results. That's very great. Generate, you click on download full size to download for you. And so I have a lot of them here in all design for political campaign. They are all here. Even logo design prompts, I have it here. Wedding design, funeral, I have all here. Click on the link and then I'll grant you access to the resources. You just give me a little donation. I'm Jason Napa and I'm out.